We will solve numerical 15 of chapter 1 electric charge and field. 2-point charges plus 9e and e are kept 16 cm apart, where a third charge q should be placed between them so that system remains in equilibrium. So to solve this, first let us draw a diagram. Here you can see a diagram where Q1, Q2 and Q3 are placed in a same straight line, where Q1 is plus 9e and Q2 is plus e. Now at the center, net force F will be 0 and Q3. So from the diagram you can see that F is equals to F13 minus F31 minus F23, where net force is 0, so F31 is equals to F23. So by solving this numerical stepwise, by substituting the values where Q1 is plus 9e and Q2 is plus e, we will get the solution that q upon x square is equals to, here what I did, k and k cancel, I substituted for 3 and so as per the Coulomb's law, F31 is equals to Fq3 Q1 upon r square. Now distance between 3 and 1, here you can see this is 3, this is 1, distance between them is x. While here in case distance between 2 and 3, charge 2 and 3, it is r minus x, as q1 and q2 are placed r centimeter apart from each other. So by solving this further, we will get the solution for distance between q and q3, q1 and q3 is 12 centimeter.